Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install your box braids. The products that I'm using today, the Shine Jam. I use this for my edges, and I use this as I braid my hair to keep my hair together. And also I'm using the Cantu leave-in. I'll put this on my hair so it'll stay moist while it's braided. I use that. And then the hair I'm using is the Q Jumbo Braids. 1B is black. I use 8 packs. Okay, let's get started. First, you got the piece here, your hair, the braiding hair, and the hair. Here's my hair here. You take this piece, you set it down on top of your hair. Then you see this piece in the middle, you whirl it around, you go that way with that piece. The next piece you go over, and you should have, see, 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. You keep going down. When you feel it's tight enough in here, then some of the hair, this hair here in the middle, you break it into 3 braids. And the gel, I put my gel in to keep it together. And you keep going down, just keep turning it. It should be in three pieces. Keep it in 3. You can burn the ends if you like, or you can leave it like this. Once you're done, hot water, boil some hot water, and you dunk it. Once you finish all your braids, just put it in, dunk it in hot water. But this is what it looked like. Let's try this again, one more time. You stretch your hair out. Your hair. Here, you hold this out. You roll that around. Hold on to it. See, I'm still holding it. This part, roll that back. Twirl it around. Just keep braiding. When it feels tight enough, you open up and make it 3. Get some gel. Keep it smooth. I'm also, when I finish this braiding, I'm gonna put that gel around my edges up here to make it smooth. Okay, that's it, you guys. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my next video. I'm going to show you how to put the strings in your braids. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys later.